All right, so the question comes up is how do you evaluate the trig ratios along the axes, okay, which are those quadrantal angles, is what it's saying. So on the unit circle, okay, we have 4 points that fall on the axes. Here's 0 degrees and 360, has a coordinates of 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Okay, when you're looking at these, the sine and cosine still fit the same relationship. The cosine is the x-coordinate. The sine is the y-coordinate. Again, they're alphabetical order, just like the x and the y. And so if you had to find the cosine of 0 degrees, it's the x-coordinate, which is 1. The sine of 0 degrees is the y-coordinate, 0. So we can also find the reciprocal ratios. The reciprocal of cosine is secant. Remember, they don't start with the same letter. So the secant of 0 degrees is 1 over 1, which is 1. And the cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So the cosecant of 0 degrees, what's 1 over 0? Can you take 1 divided by 0? No. So this becomes undefined. So you would write the word undefined for the cosecant. Okay, so the last relationship is tangent, and its reciprocal, cotangent. All right, if you were to look at the, if you were to look at an angle located somewhere different, so let's say we looked at this 45-degree angle to help guide us in finding the tangent. And when you looked at this, the cosine of this angle, I'll call it theta here, just this general angle, is the x-coordinate, or we have the x-coordinate of x, y, and then our hypotenuse, which is the radius r. So when you find the cosine of this, the cosine was adjacent x over hypotenuse r. Okay, the sine was opposite y over radius r, and the tangent, if we were to use right triangles, is opposite y over adjacent x. Well, based on our trig, or based on the unit circle, what is our y equivalent to? The y is the sine value. So the tangent of any angle is equal to its sine ratio divided by, and what's the x coordinate on our unit circle? The x is the cosine. So the tangent is really just sine over cosine. So if you took your sine divided by your cosine, what's 0 divided by 1? 0. That gives you your tangent at 0 degrees. And the cotangent is the reciprocal of that. Can you take the reciprocal of 0? No, it's also undefined. And so whatever angles you wind up choosing, so at 90 degrees, the cosine is 0, the sine is 1, the tangent is sine divided by cosine, so the tangent would be undefined in that case. And then the reciprocal functions you could find based on that.